In keeping with the updated Fitness Australia guidelines, clubs will now be required to have every member joining the club complete the Fitness Australia approved pre-exercise questionnaire. If the member is discovered to have any medical conditions, they'll be required to get medical consent before joining. In order to help with this, the joining process in Clubwise has been amended to make sure that all members have completed this questionnaire before the application is completed. Today, I'm going to take you through this new process and what it means for you. First, we'll start with members that join in the club. For these people, you'll need them to sign a hard copy form, a copy of which can be found on the Worldwide Print Forms section. If the member answers yes to any of the questions, you should not complete the sale and should advise them to seek medical consent. If they answer no, you can continue as normal, either converting an existing prospect or going straight to the sale stage. On step 2, in the office use section under Source and Promotion, you'll find a drop-down titled Medical Consent. If the member has answered no to all questions, please select No Risk Identified. If they had answered yes to one or more of the questions, but have since provided medical consent, choose Medical Consent Provided. After that, just complete the sale as normal and attach the completed questionnaire to the signed copy of the membership forms. Now we'll move on to members joining online, either from home or on an iPad in your club. For these members, the questionnaire is built right into the joining process. Once the members entered all of their details, but before they pay any pro rata, they will be directed to the questionnaire. If the member answers no to all of the questions, it will continue on to the payment screen and the creation of the membership. If, however, the member answers yes to one or more of the questions, they will be advised that they are unable to join until they've provided medical consent. Prospect records will be created for these people with a status of medical consent. A note will be automatically added to the record saying pre-exercise questionnaire completed, consent required, and a follow-up call will be scheduled for 2 days later. Sometimes you may need to change the medical consent status of a prospect, such as if they provide you with consent but are not yet ready to join the club. To do this, simply navigate to the Office Use tab in the prospect record and amend the status using the drop-down bar provided. If the consent is changed to required, it will amend the prospect status to medical consent, add an automatic note that it's required, and schedule a follow-up call for 2 days later. If you have a prospect who has provided consent and is ready to join, you can simply convert the prospect as normal, amending the consent status along the way. Lastly, you can also pull reports to show which prospects you have that require medical consent to join. Simply go to your report browser, select Prospecting, then Medical Consent. Set the date range to what you'd like, choose your report format, and apply any filters you'd like to narrow down your search. Not only will this need to be done for all new members going forward, but any existing members who renew or sign a new membership agreement will also have to complete this questionnaire and provide medical consent if required. This questionnaire is designed to highlight any potential risks to the member joining your club. And by ensuring that all members have completed the questionnaire, it helps reduce the possibility of a problem occurring while they're in your club. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on the new process, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We'd be more than happy to help you. Thanks!